Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree. A very beautiful dual border design saree here with very elegant golden zari work. The pallu is a green here, dark green color with big motif designs in the pallu, rich pallu with the golden zari work, and we have same pallu color plain blouse piece with the borders. The saree is in beautiful Rani pink shade, beautiful color, mild gold shade on the pink, and we have the golden zari buttas, square shaped buttas, very elegantly crafted with dual border, golden zari border as well as a green border given in the saree. Very elegant one with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, dual border design, beautiful sarees in golden zari work. A very elegant green pallu here, dark green color with big motif design pallu, and it is done using golden zari. Pallu color plain blouse piece with the golden zari borders in the blouse piece also. The saree color is a beautiful dark shade, purple mixed with black to get a beautiful tone it is. Almost nagapalam, the jamun fruit color with square shaped buttas, and we also have dual borders in the saree. Golden zari border as well as a green border is in the saree. Very elegant collection with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, dual border design, beautiful sarees in golden zari work. A very elegant and contrast pallu. Here we have a mango yellow pallu with beautiful big motif design in the pallu. The pallu color is rare and beautiful color. You can see same color blouse piece with the golden zari work borders. The saree is a bright, radiant light green color, almost a shade of parrot green, light parrot green color with circle shaped motifs. The motifs are done in beautiful way that it has both floral as well as geometric pattern. And we have a dual color border, one in pallu color and one in the golden zari border. Very elegant contrast combination with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, dual border design, beautiful sarees with the golden zari work. Contrast pallu. Here we have a mango yellow color pallu with big motif design weaving, golden zari weaving in the pallu, grand one with plain blouse piece in pallu color, and we have a golden zari running in the blouse piece as well, which can be used for the sleeves. And the body color is a light green here, almost a pista green shade with mild yellow tinge, and we have very elegant circle shaped buttas. The butta is very beautifully done that it have floral as well as geometric pattern inside. And we have a dual color border, one in pallu color and we have one in zari. Very elegant one with authentic silk. The shade is very contrast. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double border design, beautiful gold zari work sarees here. The contrast pallu and blouse piece. Here we have a beautiful green, a dark green color pallu with very big motif design. Golden zari used for the weaving, and we have same pallu color plain blouse piece with the borders. The saree is in beautiful Rani pink color. Very elegant design and color. Round shaped buttas for the body buttas, and it is golden zari again. Dual color borders, one is golden zari, another one is a mix of the pallu and body color. Elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a thin border collection with alluring combination colors. Here we have a beautiful navy blue color pallu with gold zari work, closely weaved grand pallu. Same color blouse piece with thin border, a half-inch zari border all over the saree in gold zari. And we have a beautiful half-white color, almost a duster color, mild gold tinge half-white color. And you can see the buttas are in silver and gold alternatively. Very beautifully it's been done with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a beautiful dual border design sarees with the golden zari work and a contrast pallu. Here we have a beautiful dark green color pallu, very elegant big motif design in the pallu design, and we have same pallu color plain blouse piece with one side, both sides we have the golden zari weaving borders. The saree is in a beautiful brown and maroon mixed shade, almost in dark maroon color with very elegant square shaped buttas, and we also have a dual border, one in the mixed color of pallu and body, and the other one is the golden zari border. Beautiful collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a thin border collection, a very beautiful color combination, different combo here, a pista green and light olive green mixed color with beautiful gold zari work, and we have the same color pallu, mild yellow tinge which is very beautiful, a pastel color, and here we have the Body in a very different color again, green and brown mixed color. Green in a different shade. You can see the buttas. Buttas are done using gold and silver zari alternatively. The gold zari border in both sides, 1 inch, which is making the saree really beautiful with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, thin border collection with very beautiful combination colors. Here we have a light pista green color pallu, very elegant design in the pallu, closely weaved gold zari work, and we have same color blouse piece. The whole saree and the pallu have a 1/2 inch zari border that is done using gold zari again. And here we have a very different green saree with silver and gold zari work, buttas, beautifully done. 2 different shades of green in the saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree. Border and butta collection, a small border, elegant 1 inch border sarees in a vibrant combination colors. A pista green color pallu with elegant work, completely gold zari used here, with a plain blouse piece, 1 inch border again. The saree is a pastel shade, almost a beige color. Excellent mild brown mix half white, also we can call pastel shade. Buttas are in gold and silver zari alternatively. The gold and copper zari, original copper zari used here. Excellent one. 3D type triangle design, very beautifully done with a 1 inch border in both sides. That is a gold zari border. An excellent pastel saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, thin border collection. An alluring combination, excellent color sarees. Here we have a beautiful dark blue color, something between a navy blue and royal blue color with a gold zari design. Elegant one with same color blouse piece. In the whole saree, the blouse piece also have a thin 1 inch zari border, gold zari border. And here we have a beautiful dark red, almost a maroonish red color body with silver and gold zari buttas. Beautiful design, 3D type triangle design, excellently weaved sarees with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a thin border collection with very beautiful classy combination here. Pista green, light green color pallu with very elegant pallu design, completely gold zari used for the pallu design weaving. And we have same color blouse piece, a pastel shade. Complete saree have a small 1 inch zari border, that is gold zari border all over. And here we have a very beautiful half white mixed with mild gold color to get a goldish half white body color, pastel shade, the white lovers. And you can see the gold zari and copper zari buttas, alternatively gold and copper used for butta weaving. Buttas are in 3D type triangle shape work. Very pretty saree and a beautiful goldish venpattu with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a thin border collection, beautiful color combos. Here we have a beautiful pallu, a deep blue color pallu with gold zari work, very elegant, simple work with same color blouse piece. The complete saree have a 1 inch zari border done using gold zari. And here we have a beautiful creamy tussar color, tussar half white with beautiful silver and gold zari worked buttas. Buttas are very beautiful. Excellent weaving. The color combo is very pretty with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a thin border collection, and beautiful and alluring combination colors. A vibrant combo here, deep blue color, something between the royal blue and navy blue color, and we have a very beautiful gold zari work in the pallu. The complete saree have a thin border, 1 inch zari border, and that is there in the blouse piece as well. Blouse is in pallu color, and we have a light radiant green color, almost neon green color saree, very different color with copper and gold zari finish buttas. Buttas are very different. The zari border adds beauty to the saree. Elegant combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, border and butta collection. The very elegant square shaped buttas, completely gold zari is used for weaving here. Dark green color pallu with very big design in pallu, beautiful and excellent new launch with a pallu color blouse piece. Beautifully it is also done with the borders, and we have a dark brown color. It's almost one shade lesser than the maroon. Beautiful brown it is with the square shaped buttas. The buttas are beautifully done in a kanji pattern. Excellent weaving with green border as well as a thin gold zari border. Excellent design, beautiful color combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double border, beautiful collection. Here we have an excellent color, attractive pink shade color saree, mild peach tinge, and we have an elegant combination too. The saree have dual tone. You can see almost a candy pink is mixed with a sweet pink color. Very elegant one with mild orange glow on the saree with golden zari buttas, round shaped buttas here. Dual border as well. We have a pink border as well as a deep golden zari border, and we have a combination of red here. Very different. This is a very new and beautiful combo. Red pallu having big motif design weaving using golden zari with the same red blouse piece. Elegant one, very different combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double border collection. Here we have a beautiful pastel shade saree, elegant light green color, a mild pista green and crimson half white mixed color. It is really beautiful pastel shade for the pastel lovers with a round shaped buttas. The buttas are very beautifully done in a floral and geometric mixed pattern. And we also have a dual border. One is a mango yellow border, another one is the golden zari border here. Both sides of the saree we have the double border design running, and we also have a dual color for the pallu here. Mango yellow mixed with pink to get a beautiful shade with the golden butta work in the pallu also. And we have same pallu color plain blouse piece. It's a different and pastel mixed saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a beautiful collection, border and butta design in a very elegant combination colors. Here we have a beautiful green saree, green pallu, big butta design in the pallu, very elegant gold zari work, and the design is given in a mango shape, floral, excellent green shade color, and same green is the blouse piece with the zari borders next to the border line. And here we have a very beautiful magenta pink saree, excellent butta design, square shape, and inside the details you can see it's a horizontally done, excellent kanji type butta design with green borders as well as a gold zari border. Beautiful combination, traditional and ever lovable combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double border concept, beautiful sarees in gold and zari work weaving. Here we have a beautiful combination, always demanded traditional combination it is. A mango yellow color saree, beautiful golden finish, very elegant golden zari buttas also. It is a square shaped buttas in a very elegant weaving. You can see the details, very elegantly it's been weaved with the dual border design, golden zari border as well as a dark orange border is given in the saree with a contrast pallu. The pallu is red here, deep maroonish red with big motif design weaving in the pallu. It's an elegant rich pallu with plain blouse piece in same color. Combination is a traditional one with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double border collection with very elegant golden zari buttas. Here we have a pastel shade saree, a pink color, very beautiful light baby pink shade with mild peach tinge. Very beautiful saree, light pastel color with golden zari weaving buttas. The buttas are in square shape, very elegantly it's been done, very subtle, beautiful design. And we have dual border color, the pallu color border as well as a golden zari border is there in the saree, and pallu is here, a beautiful red one with very elegant big design, motif design in the pallu, and we have pallu color plain blouse piece. The combination is really beautiful, very different too with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double border, beautiful collection with golden zari work. Here we have a beautiful parrot green color saree, ever lovely, excellent color, bright combination, beautiful color it is with the golden zari square shaped buttas. Very elegantly the buttas are crafted with the dual border design. You can see a golden border as well as a pink border in both sides of the saree. A fine finish, beautiful saree in excellent color with a combination of Rani pink having big motif design in the pallu. It's a rich pallu with plain blouse piece in same pallu color. Elegant combo, really attractive with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double border collection, very elegant golden zari buttas. Here we have a beautiful saree, a very attractive combination. So, yellow mixed with pink to get a beautiful combination here. A mild peach with gold combination. A very beautiful saree. You can see the yellow glow on the saree as well with pink tinge. And we have the golden zari buttas. Buttas are in round shape with both floral and geometric pattern checks design. And we have a dual border design here. Pink border as well as a golden zari borders there in both sides of the saree. A fine weaving beautiful saree with a rani pink pallu. The candy pink with mild red tinge. It is giving a beautiful pallu color with beautiful design as well. The same pallu color blouse piece is given in the saree. Combination is very attractive, a colorful saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double border design with very elegant golden zari buttas. Here we have a beautiful, attractive color combination saree. A pink, sweet pink color mixed with candy pink to get a beautiful and bright pink shade with mild golden tinge on it. You can see an orange tinge also with very elegant golden zari buttas, square shaped design. And we also have a dual border concept here, pink border as well as a golden zari border is there on both sides of the saree. Fine weaving with red pallu. The pallu is a big motif design pallu with golden zari work. Rich one with plain blouse piece. The combination is very bright here. Complete saree is a bright combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double border design sarees, very elegant. Beautiful combination sarees here with a pastel combination here. You can see a green saree with mild pastel green. It is a pista green color with mild golden tinge on it. Very elegant one. Beautiful color. And we have round shaped design buttas. Buttas are done using golden zari. It's having both geometrical pattern as well as a floral design. And we have dual border design. It's a pink border as well as golden zari border is there on both sides of the saree. Fine, beautiful weaving with a contrast pallu. The pallu here is a rani pink shade with big motif design weaving in the pallu design. And it is a perfect rich pallu with plain blouse piece in pallu color. Contrast blouse piece for the body. Beautiful combination. It's a pastel versus dark and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree. Double border, beautiful sarees with an excellent design. Completely a golden zari worked elegant sarees. Here we have a dual tone, beautiful color saree here. It's a brown mixed with gold shade. You can see a goldish rust color on the brown base. Very beautiful color. Light violet tinge is also there on the saree. Very elegantly it's been done with the square, circle shaped buttas. It's a geometric butta. Inside the butta you can see details, floral as well as geometric checks pattern. And we have a double border concept, gold zari border as well as a orange border is there in the both sides of the saree. Beautiful weaving with the pink, rani pink color pallu. The pallu also have big motif designs in the golden zari and we have plain blouse piece in same pallu color. Very elegant combination. The saree color is a rare and excellent combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double border collection. Very elegant color combinations. Here we have a beautiful goldish yellow color, mango yellow and a beautiful gold shade with very beautiful buttas. The buttas are golden zari ones and round shaped design with geometric as well as floral pattern. You can see the segments in the butta very elegantly. It's done using golden zari with a double border concept, little deeper shade orange given for the border along with the golden zari border here. Fine weaving, very elegant one with the red pallu. The pallu having big motif design weaving, beautiful pallu design with same pallu color, plain blouse piece. The combination is pretty and traditional one with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double border design, beautiful collection. Here we have a traditional combination color, yellow saree, turmeric yellow it is, with a combination of pink. Beautiful combo, ever lovely and ever demanded combination it is with the round shaped buttas. Buttas having both the floral pattern as well as geometric weaving. You can see very elegant splittings in it. And we have a dual border concept here. Orange border as well as a golden zari border is there in both sides of the saree. A fine finished beautiful saree with a rani pink pallu. Big motif design in the pallu weaving with a plain blouse piece in same pallu color. Very elegant combination. Always demanded traditional combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double border concept, beautiful sarees with golden zari work. Here we have a very elegant green saree with mild blue tinge in it. Very beautiful goldish green. You can see the beautiful light blue tinge on it. Really pretty saree, pastel shade with a square shaped buttas. The buttas are in very beautiful Kanjipuram type weaving, a very elegant one. Completely golden zari worked buttas, and we have dual color border, golden zari border as well as a pink border in the both sides of the saree, and we have very elegant and contrast pallu. So deep Rani pink shade pallu with big motifs design in the pallu design, and we have plain blouse piece in same pallu color. The combination is very pretty, attractive one with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double border collection with golden zari work. Here we have a always demanded beautiful and regular combination saree, yellow, beautiful dark goldish mango yellow color saree here with gold zari round shaped buttas. The buttas have both floral as well as geometric pattern inside. You can see the details of the buttas. Elegantly done with a orange and border and as a double border design, golden zari border as well as orange we have in the border, and we have a contrast pink color pallu. The pink pallu is very beautiful, sweet pink with mild orange tinge in it with a bigger shaped buttas in the pallu, and we have same color plain blouse piece. Very elegant combination, always demanded beautiful color with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double border collection. Here we have a beautiful saree with golden zari work. The saree color is a light pink here, really beautiful light baby pink shade with beautiful round shaped buttas. Buttas have both floral as well as geometric design. Very beautifully weaved one with a double border design, deep pink border as well as a golden zari border in both sides of the saree with a very contrast red pallu. The red and pink combination is really different with the pallu having big motif design completely weaved using golden zari and same pallu color blouse piece. Really elegant combination it is with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double border concept, beautiful sarees in a pastel shade color here. A very beautiful and different color this. The saree is in a very elegant light green in a pastel shade it is. Beautiful grey and green mixed color. Very different one with square shaped buttas. The buttas are very elegantly done in Kanjivaram type weaving with very elegant square shape. Fine weaving with a dual border. We have a pink border as well as a golden zari border and a contrast Rani pink shade beautiful pallu. Pallus having big motifs. We also have golden zari work, rich pallu design, and we have plain blouse piece in same pallu color. Pastel body, and we have a bright combination pallu. Elegant saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double border, beautiful sarees in a different color combinations. Here we have a very beautiful green shade color saree. It's a radiant light green color with mild golden tinge. Sarees having golden zari work. The buttas are in golden zari here. Round shaped buttas, a very beautiful geometric pattern with floral design as well as checks pattern inside it. Golden zari is looking beautiful with a dual color border, orange color, rust color border as well as a golden zari border attached in both sides of the saree. Beautiful weaving, and we have a contrast Rani pink shade pallu. Pallu is also having grand work, a big butta design, and we also have plain blouse piece in same color combination. Excellent saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double border, beautiful concept sarees in an excellent combination colors. Here we have a very beautiful deep green shade, almost a forest green it is, dark and beautiful green saree with golden zari work buttas. The saree here is in beautiful golden zari, and it is a circle pattern. Inside the circle you can see geometric pattern at the 4 divisions, very elegant floral and checks pattern inside the buttas, finely crafted, very elegant design with 2 borders. The pallu color border as well as a deep brown color border and a golden zari border is given in the saree in both sides with the contrast pallu. Here we have a deep Rani pink shade color pallu with big butta design done using golden zari, and same pallu color blouse piece is given. The combination is beautiful bright shade with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double border design sarees here with golden zari work. Here we have a beautiful pastel shade saree, elegant light lavender. It's a pastel lavender color with golden zari work. We have beautiful golden zari work done in a circle pattern, which is in beautiful design. You can see post splitting inside it, floral as well as checks pattern inside the butta. Finely done one with a mango yellow light peach mixed color border. On one side we also have a golden zari border. Both sides the border design comes in this saree. Very elegant one with the contrast mango yellow shade pallu. Pallu is having big design which is done using golden zari with plain blouse piece in same pallu color. Combination is very different, lavender with yellow, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, beautiful gold zari work, double border saree collection, very excellent work, and the color of the saree here is black, shade black color, beautiful golden zari buttas. The zari here is antique finish golden zari. You can see the design, very visible and beautiful on this black base color with dual border. One is golden zari border, the other one is a beautiful maroon and brown mixed shade color border. Very elegantly it's been done with a contrast blouse piece and pallu. Here we have red and pink mixed shade color pallu with beautiful big design motif design pallu, completely done using golden zari with a plain pallu color blouse piece. Combination is very beautiful, majestic black with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double border design, very elegant golden zari worked, beautiful sarees, an excellent combination colors. Here we have a very elegant yellow shades saree, always demanded beautiful yellow with a square shaped buttas. The buttas are very beautifully done. You can see the details, beautiful floral and kanji type butta, and we have dual color border. We have a orange border as well as a golden zari border in both sides of the saree. Elegant weaving, color combination is also perfect. Here we have an attractive Rani pink pallu with big motif design in the weaving of the pallu, a rich pallu with plain pallu color blouse piece. Combination is a beautiful combination. It is a traditional, always in demand color with authentic silk. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double border, beautiful collection in golden zari work. Here we have a dual tone color saree, green and blue is mixed here to get a very elegant sea blue and green mixed color. Very fine and beautiful shade it is with buttas that is in round shape. We have circles pattern which is having floral as well as a geometric weaving inside it. Very beautiful design with a dual border design, golden zari border as well as a pink border is there in the both sides of the saree with elegant deep red color. It's a chilli red pallu. Pallu is having beautiful big motif design weaving in the golden zari and plain pallu color blouse piece. Excellent combination, different combination too with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double border collection, very elegant golden zari worked, beautiful sarees in an excellent combination colors. Here we have a very pretty parrot green shade color saree with mild gold tinge on it. Really beautiful parrot green, a perfect and elegant attractive green shades saree with very elegant, beautiful and round shaped buttas, both floral as well as a geometric checked pattern in the buttas, finely weaved one with a double border concept. We have orange border, a rustic orange one with a golden zari border also, and we have a contrast Rani pink shade pallu. The pallu is having very pretty work, big buttas design in the pallu done using golden zari, and same way the pallu color blouse piece is given here. Excellent, pretty, always demanded elegant combination with authentic silk. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, a very beautiful double border design sarees in a very elegant color combination. Here we have a mustard yellow color saree with beautiful work. Golden zari is used here completely for the zari part. You can see the mustard yellow saree with beautiful square shaped butta design that is done using golden zari. We have dual color zari borders. One is the pallu color, another one is a zari, golden zari border it is. And we have a very contrast red pallu having big floral design, buttas weaving that is done using golden zari again with same pallu color plain blouse piece. Excellent saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double border concept, beautiful sarees in a rich golden zari work. Here the antique finish golden zari is used because of the darker shade color. Really beautiful saree here, dark blue. It is almost a navy blue shade with very elegant buttas. The buttas are really visible on this color, antique zari, antique golden zari used. And you can see the butta design, it's floral plus checks pattern in a rounder shaped buttas, and we have dual color border. One is a deep maroon color, another one is a golden zari border, and we have a contrast Rani pink shade, also almost a red and pink mixed color shade pallu. Pallu is having very elegant golden zari work, big buttas design, and we have plain blouse piece. Excellent combination, a really attractive dark shade combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double border, beautiful sarees, excellent combination colors. Here we have a golden zari work. The saree here is a goldish mustard yellow color You can see the buttas. It's a golden zari, beautiful round shaped buttas in a floral pattern inside. Elegantly it's crafted, and we have dual borders as well. You can see orange border as well as a golden zari border. Both sides of the saree have the borders, and we have a beautiful red and orange mixed shade color pallu. And having a beautiful design too. It's a big buttas in the pallu using golden zari with plain blouse piece in the same pallu color. Combination is very beautiful, a traditional combo with authentic silk mark.